Hey viewers, welcome to MS Excel Tips and Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to autofill rows or columns in just a few seconds. Forget those days when you were stuck filling cells one by one. Let's make things way easier. First up, let's talk about the basics. For example, let's say I type the number 1 in cell A1 and the number 2 in cell A2. Now, select both cells. You'll see a dark plus sign at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down, then release it. Excel will automatically fill the cells in the column based on the pattern you started. You can do the same for rows. This is super useful when working with a small data range. Now, let me show you an amazing trick for working with huge data ranges. If you want to fill rows or columns quickly, here's what you do. First, place the cursor in the cell where you want to start and type the number you want. Next, go to the Home tab. On the right side of the Excel sheet, you'll see the Fill option. Click on it. A small dialog box will appear. Click on Series to open another dialog box. In this dialog box, you can specify the cell range you want to fill in rows or columns orders. For example, if you want to fill 1,000 rows or columns, you can set that here. Then click OK. Excel will fill the cells quickly, saving you tons of time. Bingo, we did it. And that's how you master autofill in Excel. Whether you're working with a small or large dataset, these tricks will make your life a lot easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.